ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्। 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द
Nityanandam Paramasugadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadusham Tattvamasya Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tvam Namami. Nityanandam. We offer our humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam. We welcome all the viewers across the world for this Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva from the Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devalayam, Adi Kailash Sarvajna Peetam. In the hours before, we are graced with the darshan of His Divine Holiness of Paramashiva himself. This is the most opportune time for us to prepare ourselves, our body and our mind towards. For those of you tuning in for the first time to Kailasha's Nityananda TV, welcome to the official TV channel for Sri Kailasha, the only and greatest cosmic borderless Hindu nation. Nityananda Paramashivam, His Divine Holiness, is the reviver of Kailasha, the ancient enlightened civilization and the great cosmic borderless Hindu nation. His Divine Holiness is an avatar from and is the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. He has made the science of power manifestation, yoga, temple-based universities for humanity. The sovereign order of Kailasha, led by His Divine Holiness, and Nityananda order of monks, nuns, and Hindu diaspora are working for global peace and to give a super consciousness breakthrough to humanity. Nityananda Hindu University is the world's largest university with extended campuses in 150 countries. It is collecting, organizing, time capsuling, decoding and spreading the 20 million source books of Hinduism and 64 sacred arts and sciences like Ayurveda, music, dance, sculpting, astrology and Vastu. His Divine Holiness is the 293rd Guru Mahasannidhanam of Shyamala Pita Sarvajna Peetam, the ancient apex body of Hinduism, the present emperor of Surya Vamsha Surangi Samrajyam. His Divine Holiness has survived the worst persecution on many assassination attempts on person and character by anti-Hindu elements. To explore more videos, you can visit Kailasha's Nityananda YouTube channel. Today, we are offering Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Devi Parashakti, Nityanandeshwari Parashakti. We are celebrating the Nityanandeshwara Brahmosam on the eve of Kartika Deepam, day 6. And we are, as part of this, we are offering the Uttamottama Seva along with the various homas, pujas, and other sevas. The Uttamottama Seva is a Vedic ritual, is from the source, from the Agamas. Uttamottama means the best of the best, and Seva is offering. So it is a ritual of offering the best of the best to Paramashiva. Whatever we offer to Paramashiva comes back to us in 1,000-fold, many million-fold. And Paramashiva is the source of everything, be it grains, our knowledge, our skill, our people, everything. Offering the best of the best is the way we can offer our gratitude to Paramashiva and being integrated to him and his words. Agamas is the only thing that we can offer to him. Uttamottama Seva is an intricate ritual that is described by Paramashiva himself. So many offerings are there that came down from the best of the best that is offered to Paramashiva in Vedic tradition, from the instruments to the offering of food that should be offered to Paramashiva, the various types of dance and the way it is danced. Uttamottama Seva is described by Paramashiva as the best of the best. We offer the Abhishekam, Vastram, Gandham, Abharanam, Archanam, Dhupam, Deepam, Naivedyam, Aratrikam, Deepopacharam, Pushpanjalim, Chaturvedam, Gruhya Suktam, Agamastotram, Dravida Vedam, Nrityam, Sangeetam, Vadyam, and Swasti Vachanam. The source of all these best things is Paramashiva. And he has given these to us, and offering them back at his feet is what we do during this seva to Paramashiva, whereby we experience intense Shakti Nipata and Advaita, the oneness with him, and as a result we leave the state and radiate the space and manifest the Shaktis of Paramashiva. And since it is Agama Vidhi, Paramashiva's instructions we offer during this seva. The best of the food offered as Naivedyam, the best of the movement a body can make offered as Nitya Seva, the best of the sound offered as music, Sangeeta Seva, and the best of the consciousness offered as power manifestation, the Shakti Avishkarana. The best that humanity can offer to Paramashiva as gratitude is offered in Uttamottama Seva. Today, we are offering the Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva as part of the Kartika Deepam celebrations. So let us understand what is Kartika Deepam.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परम नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्.
And sorry for the technical glitch that we had to pass this Uttamottama Seva introduction. Now, as we are celebrating the Kartika Deepam, the celebrations, Nityanandeshwara Brahmosam celebrations, that day 6th of Brahmosam we are celebrating. So let us understand the Kartika Deepam. Kartika Deepam is the beginning of the universe in the time dimension. His Divine Holiness revealing the importance of Kartika Deepam as it is the very day Paramashiva became many and made himself available to many. Kartikeya Deepam is the ultimate significant, in a way, if you see with the recorded evidences available, the oldest festival. This is the oldest festival recorded. Around 8,000 years ago, recorded evidences are available for the Kartikeya Deepam. This festival, it's the ultimate Utsava. 3 major things that happen on this auspicious day. First, the timeless Paramashiva decoded to become many to celebrate himself on this very day. The time started from the timelessness, from Kartikeya Deepam. That is the time the Big Bang happened. Second, when he manifested as Brahma, Vishnu, and the Andavas and Brahma and Vishnu had little difficulty about who is greater. He appeared as a light shaft and gave them enlightenment. And 3, then Devi Parashakti wanted to become part of Paramashiva, the oneness space, and doing tapas for it. Paramashiva granted Parashakti the ultimate space of oneness forever on this Kartikeya Purnima, Kartikeya Deepam day. So all the 3 great things that happened on this very day. On this very day, Paramashiva manifested and created 56 great nations and more than 170 smaller provinces, revealing the Vedas and Agamas to the world, making the whole Brahmanda endowed with life and creating Brahma and Vishnu, manifesting the universe. It is on this very day Paramashiva became many and made himself available to many. His Divine Holiness expounds on great truths about Paramashiva. He says, when you are grounded on Paramashiva, you manifest Shaktis eternally. He says, fundamentally, you are Avyakta. The unmanifest is programmed to fall in love with the highest goal of your existence. If your unmanifest is in love with me beyond your logical understanding, rationally, you are manifesting powers, Shaktis, there is no doubt. If not, even if you manifest the powers, it is only the Siddhas. Maybe for some time till you have your ability to practice, it will continue. But Siddhi is also right. Good beginning, but Shaktis will be permanent. Eternal, because you are grounded on Paramashiva. Very powerful cognition grounded on Guru Bhakti manifest as powers, Shakti. Otherwise, surely it manifests as Siddhi. It is not that useless, but it is manifesting Siddhis. His Divine Holiness explains more on Paramashiva, how we relate with him. Paramashiva knows every cell, every call is 911 call. You do not need anything more than consciously deciding Paramashiva. He is waiting to manifest in you. The moment you decide him today, make this decision. I decide consciously, let ultimate God, Paramashiva, manifest in me. I may or may not educated about his qualities, his identities, but that does not keep him away from me. My ignorance is no way interfering my decision to invoke him in my being. He says, I know something exists which is ultimate. I am consciously deciding which is the source of everything, which is ultimate. So let that manifest in me. I am consciously deciding. This is more than enough for you because he is waiting. He's not waiting for a perfect call. He's just waiting for a conscious call. Understand? No 911 call can be a perfect. It will not say, Swamiji says, it will not say, hello, how are you? How are you, all of you, how are you doing? How is your wife? And how is your father-in-law, daughter-in-law, mother-in-law doing? No. All 911 calls are from anxiety, from distress, from suffering, asking to save. Paramashiva knows every call we make him is a 911 call. He doesn't expect perfection. He expects consciousness. That's all. Paramashiva gives us the boon of Divya Sharira in the Agamas. When you leave the physical body, it is your Divya Sharira that goes to Kailasha. If you have the full body as Divya Sharira, only then full body can go to Kailasha, reach the space of Kailasha. Only of your head has become Divya Sharira and other remaining part has not yet become Divya Sharira. You have to come back. Take one more body till you make the whole body into Divya Sharira. You have to be in the human body. Paramashiva gives one boon in Agamas. After you leave the body, if Shivalinga is installed on your body, means your body is buried and Shivalinga is installed. Your body is cremated, burned in ashes, and the ashes, the Shivalinga is installed. As long as that Shivalinga is worshipped without being removed or damaged or destroyed, you will have the space in Kailasa. This is like an exemption he gives as a boon. That's why in all major Hindu pilgrimage centers, the Linga Pratishtha is too important. So today, our Gurukul Balasans are offering the Uttamottama Seva to Paramashiva, Devi Parashakti, and this Seva we are offering as a gratitude to our beloved Guru, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. Let's all stay tuned and watch this Uttamottama Seva and get the blessings of Paramashiva, His Divine Holiness. Thank you, Nityanandam.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda
first offering of the Uttama Seva of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwari Paramashiva is the offering of the Chaturvedam. Devadevo Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramasiva Chaturveda Priya Chaturvedam Avadharaya. Rigveda Hari Om Agnimile Purohitam Yajnasya Devam Rigvitam Hota Aram Ratnadhatavam Hari Om Yajurvedam Hari Om Isheto Jetva Vayavasto Payavasta Devo Vastavita Prarpaya Shushreshatamaya Karmane Hari Om Samaveda Hari Om Agna Ayahi Pitaye Granano Havyadhataye Nihota Sabsi Barihishi Hari Om Atharva Veda Hari Om Shanno Devi Rabhishtaya Apo Bhavantu Pitaye Shanyo Rabhishtavantu Naha Hari Om. The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Agama Shlokas. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Agama Shloka Priya Agama Shlokanavadharaya. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Ati Kautuhalabhishta Ritsasyetat Shrunu Priye Yanme Netrantare Vahme Yadbhavritamad Tatsarvam Kathayishyami Yoga Yuktya Shrunu Priye Yad Swarupam Nidam Shuddham Vyapakam Sarvato Mukham Sarvabhutantaravastam Sarvapranishu Jivanam Yoga Gamyam Durasadam Dusprapamakritatamabhihi Jnanadishana Gunalete Satrastaha Prabhavantihi Savai Mahakriya Rupa Samsthitaika Kriyavata Animadi Gunanashto Karoti Vikaroti Sa Evam Vamesha Jnanakya Kriyakya Shakti Ruchyate. The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Stotra Seva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Stotra Priya Stotram Avadharaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Sadashivaya Sakala Tattvatmakaya Sarva Mantra Swarupaya Sarva Yantra Adhisthitaya Sarva Tantra Swarupaya Sarva Viduraya Brahmarudravatarinne Neelakanthaya Parvati Manoharaya Soma Surya Agnilocanaya Bhasmodulita Vigrahaya Mahamani Mukutadharanaya Manikya Bhushanaya Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Kala Raudravataraya Dakshadvaradvamshakaya Mahakala Vedanaya Mooladharika Nilayaya Tattvakitaya Gangadharaya Sarvadevadidevaya Shadashrayaya Vedantasaraya Trivargasadhanaya Ananta Koti Brahmanda Nayakaya Ananta Vasukita Kshakakar Kotaka Shanka Gulika Padma Mahapadmeti Ashtamahanaga Kulabhushanaya Pranavaswarupaya Siddhakashaya Akashadikswarupaya Grahanakshatramaline Sakalaya Kalankarahitaya Sakalalokaika Kartre Sakalalokaika Bhartre Sakalalokaika Samhartre Sakalalokaika Gurave Sakalalokaika Sakshine Sakalanigamagusyaya Sakala Vedanta Paragaya Sakalalokaika Varapradaya सकललोकैकशङ्कराय शशाङ्कशेखराय शाश्वतनिजावासाय निराभासाय निरामयाय निर्मलाय निर्मदाय निश्चिन्ताय निरहङ्काराय निरङ्कुशाय निष्कलङ्काय निर्गुणाय निष्कामाय निरुपप्लवाय निरुपद्रवाय निरवध्याय निरन्तराय निष्कारणाय निरन्तकाय निष्प्रपञ्चाय निस्सङ्गाय निर्द्वन्द्वाय निराधाराय निरागाय निष्क्रोधाय निर्लोकाय निष्पापाय निर्भयाय निर्विकल्पाय निर्भेदाय निष्क्रियाय निस्तुलाय निस्संशयाय निरुपम विभवाय नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध परिपूर्ण सच्चिदानन्दाद्वयाय परम शांत स्वरूपाय तेजो रूपाय तेजोमयाय जय जय रुद्र महारौद्र भद्रावतार महाभैरव काल भैरव कल्पांत भैरव कपालमालाधर खट्वांग खड्ग चर्म पाशांकुश डमरू शूल चाप बाण गदा शक्ति भिंडिपाल तोमर मुसल मुद्गर पाश परिघ कुशुंडी षटग्नि चक्राद्यायुध भीषण कर सहस्रमुखदं श्राकराल वदन विकटाट्टहास विस्फारित ब्रह्मांड मंडल नागेंद्र कुंडल नागेंद्र हार नागेंद्र वलय नागेंद्र चर्मधर मृत्युंजय त्रयंबक विश्वरूप विरूपाक्ष विश्वेश्वर विश्वहन विश्वभूषण विश्वतोमुख सर्वतो रक्ष रक्ष मां ज्वल ज्वल महामृत्युमपमृत्यु भयं नाशय नाशय चोर भयं उत्सादय उत्सादय विषसर्प भयं समय समय चोरान् मारय मारय शत्रून् उच्चाटय उच्चाटय त्रिशूलेन विधारय विधारय कुठारेण भिण्डि भिण्डि खड्गेन छिन्दि छिन्दि खड्वाङ्गेन विपोधय विपोधय कुशलेन निष्पेषय निष्पेषय बाणैः सन्ताटय सन्ताटय रक्षांसि भीषय भीषय भूतानि विद्रावय विद्रावय कूष्माण्ड मारीच वेताल ब्रह्म राक्षसगणान् सन्ताटय सन्ताटय माम् अभयं कुरु कुरु पितृस्वं माम् आश्वासय आश्वासय नरकभयान् माम् उद्धर उद्धर सञ्जीवय सञ्जीवय शत्रुभ्यां माम् आप्यायय आप्यायय दुःखातुरं माम् आनन्दय आनन्दय शिवकवचेन माम् आच्छाटय आच्छाटय मृत्युंजय त्रयंबक सदा शिव परम शिव नमस्ते नमस्ते. The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Dravida Vedam. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Dravida Veda Priya Dravida Vedam Avadharaya.
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
शिवा तिरुचित्रम्बलम वेयुर तोली पंगन विडमुंड कंदन मिगनल्ल वीणை கடவி மாசரு திங்கள் கங்கை முடிமேல நின்று என்னுலமே புகுண்ட அதனால் ஞாயிறு திங்கள் செவ்வாய் புதன் வியாழன் வெள்ளி சனி பாம்பிரண்டு புதனே மாசரு நல்ல நல்ல அவை நல்ல நல்ல அடியாரவர்க்கு மிகவே சிவா திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
The next offering of the Uttamottama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Nritta Seva. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव नृत्य प्रिय नृत्यमवधारय.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
Offering of the Uttama Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana Priya Paramashiva Shakti Avishkaranam Avadharaya. नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you with my love and respect to today's Paramashiva Shakti Avishkaranam. I am Manitya Yoga Pranananda. I'm 13 years old and I'm a Balasant of the Nityananda Gurukul. And today you will be witnessing the Shakti of body scanning. Before we begin the power manifestation, let us enter. Let us begin with a small introduction about the source of all, Paramashiva. Paramashiva is the primordial divinity in Hinduism, the ultimate reality and cause, which is self-effulgent, Swayam Prakasha, all-pervading, unchanging beyond time, space, form, and causality. Today, an incarnation of Paramashiva walks among us in the form of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, initiating millions of disciples all across the globe into the science of power manifestation. And today, you will be witnessing this extraordinary power of body scanning. Along with us here, we have a volunteer. Ma, would you like to introduce yourself?
Nityanandam. I'm Dr. Shanti. I'm practicing obstetrics and gynecology in Bangalore at Banshankari third stage. And I'm blessed to be part of Nityananda Sangha and being an initiated disciple also of Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. And I'm enjoying this spiritual journey for the past 10 years with Swamiji and Sangha.
Yes, beautiful. So, what I'll be doing here is I'll be connecting to Paramashiva by chanting the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, which is the direct passcode which raises us to a higher frequency and continuously reminds us that we are Paramashiva. So I'll be chanting the Mahavakya and I'll be scanning Ma Shanti's body and I'll be revealing any problems which she has and I will also be revealing the solution and we will be healing her. So now I'll begin the power manifestation by starting to chant the Mahavakya. All of you also can chant the Mahavakya along with me. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Yes. Now I'll be revealing what Paramashiva has revealed to me through my third eye. So, Ma Shanti, Paramashiva revealed that from past few days you have a hard time to breathe, and it's been difficult for you to breathe from past few days. And I've also been able to see that whenever you walk, you get a sudden like a shooting pain in your thigh, like and right above your thigh, and you get a shooting pain which and you will not be able to bear that pain. And after some time, the pain will automatically go. This is the two things which Paramashiva revealed to me.
Regarding the breathlessness, yes, it is very mild. I do experience it when I'm working fast and or intensely, running the staircase or things like that. When I do the fast action, climbing stairs, at that time I have experienced this breathlessness for the past few days. And the pain, I have not noticed, but I did have once that kind of pain around above the knee in my right leg.
Yes. And Paramashiva also revealed that you have a lot of undigested food in your stomach, which from past a lot of days, there's undigested food in your stomach, which is also causing a lot of gas and toxins to form in your body. So Paramashiva revealed that you should do a lot of detox.
Okay.
And Paramashiva also revealed that for your restlessness, also you should just you are stressed out a lot, and you cannot do one thing with one full mind. You cannot do anything fully. You are always restless. Like you start off one thing, you can't finish it, you move to the next thing. So Paramashiva revealed that every morning, just for 15 minutes, you just have to sit in front of the Atma Murti and just meditate. Just chant the Mahavakya and just meditate. And remember Paramashiva for 15 minutes every morning, and you will stop being restless. You'll start being aware of each action you're doing. Would you like to verify?
I'm not able to relate much with the restless kind of that one thing. I'm not able to relate because I'm following the morning routine very stringently.
Yes.
Otherwise, other things, yes, just I had my evening meal about half an hour ago, so that food is still there. And Panchakriya, everything I've been regularly doing. So, but I will connect every day in front of Atma Murti.
Yes. And the last thing which Paramashiva revealed is you don't have enough blood in your body is the last thing which Paramashiva revealed.
Okay, ma. I will definitely check on it.
Yes. Okay, so would you just like to share how you felt during this whole scanning?
I felt a lot of warmth in my body, and I felt energized.
Okay, yes.
More energy and a lot of joy.
Yes. And I would also like to share how I was able to manifest this power. All I did was I started chanting the Mahavakya and connecting to Swamiji. And I just told Swamiji, you're the one who's manifesting the power. Please manifest and reveal what is the problems in her body. And slowly I was able to start seeing, I was able to see the blood in her body and not being enough. And I was able to see all the other problems which I revealed. And it just started appearing to me, and I just started revealing it. And this is how I manifested the power. And with this, I would like to offer my gratitude and love at the divine lotus feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagat Guru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you all for joining us in this Uttamottama Seva. Thank you, Nityanandam.
Thank you, Nityananda.